In this video, we're going to explore practical and legitimate ways to earn $1,000 or more in a short span of time. These are tried and tested methods that can help you generate income quickly, provided you put in the effort and determination. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Outside the Matrix channel, where we're all about helping you turn your financial dreams into reality and escape the matrix. Freelance work. Freelancing offers the flexibility to use your skills in areas like writing, design, or programming to earn money quickly. You can find projects on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, set your rates, and complete tasks for clients. Success in freelancing often depends on building a solid portfolio and delivering high-quality work on time. Sell items online. To generate fast cash, you can sell unwanted items through online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. This method allows you to declutter your home while turning unused items into cash. Be sure to provide accurate descriptions and quality photos to attract potential buyers. Participate in online surveys. Participating in online surveys through websites or apps can provide small payments for sharing your opinions on various topics. While the payouts per survey are typically modest, they can add up over time, making it a convenient way to earn a bit of extra money in your spare time. Rent out your space. If you have spare accommodations, you can rent them out on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo. This option is particularly suitable if you have an extra room, a vacation property, or even a vacant parking space. Hosting guests or renters can provide a steady stream of income when done responsibly. Offer pet or babysitting services. Providing pet or babysitting services in your community can be a quick way to earn money, especially if you have experience and references. Many people look for reliable caregivers, and word-of-mouth recommendations can help you build a client base. Services like Rover or Care.com can also help you find potential clients. Do odd jobs for people. Offering your skills for various tasks such as cleaning, yard work, or handyman services can generate quick cash. You can advertise your services locally or on platforms like TaskRabbit, connecting you with individuals in need of assistance with specific projects. Participate in paid focus groups. Paid focus groups often involve sharing your opinions and insights on products, services, or concepts. These groups can be conducted in person or online and typically offer compensation for your time and input. Market research companies and universities frequently organize such studies. Drive for a ride-sharing service. Driving for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft is a flexible way to earn quick money if you meet the driver requirements. You can set your own hours and take advantage of peak demand times to maximize earnings. Participate in paid clinical trials. Participating in paid clinical trials for medical research studies can result in significant compensation, but it may involve certain health risks and strict eligibility criteria. These studies often focus on testing new medications or treatments. Offer food delivery services. Working as a food delivery driver for platforms like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Grubhub allows you to earn quick cash by delivering meals to customers. This gig is particularly in demand during mealtime hours and weekends. Whether it's freelancing, selling items online, participating in surveys, or offering your skills and services, the opportunities are out there, waiting for you to seize them. Remember, while quick money can be a lifesaver, financial stability is a journey. Use these methods wisely, plan for the long term, and always prioritize your financial well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights on managing your money and achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching.